Watch this before you touch your 2026 Honda Prelude. The 2026 Honda Prelude isn't just a car. It's a statement of precision engineering and style. But keeping it spotless takes more than a quick rinse. Today, we're going full scale. Interior, exterior, engine, and performance detailing. If you love your Prelude, this is the ultimate guide. We start inside. Step into the cabin, and you'll notice the blend of modern design and comfort. But dust, crumbs, and grime can hide in every crevice. Grab a soft microfiber cloth, a gentle all-purpose cleaner, and a detailing brush. Carefully wipe every surface: dash, vents, infotainment panel, and door trims. Don't forget the cup holders and seat crevices. Leather seats? Apply a premium leather conditioner to keep them supple and crack-free. Fabric seats? A dedicated upholstery cleaner brings back that fresh-off-the-lot feel. Next, the windows and mirrors. Use a streak-free glass cleaner, working top to bottom, ensuring crystal-clear visibility. A clean interior isn't just about aesthetics. It's safety, too. Now, step outside. The Prelude's sleek lines and aerodynamic body deserve respect. Begin with a 2-bucket wash system. One bucket with soapy water, another with clean water to rinse your mitt. Start from the roof and work downwards. Pay attention to the wheel arches, bumpers, and underbody where grime accumulates. Drying is critical to avoid water spots. Use a soft, plush microfiber towel or a drying blower. Then, bring out a high-quality car wax or paint sealant. Apply it in small sections with a foam applicator. Let it haze, and buff with a microfiber cloth. Your 2026 Honda Prelude will shine like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Don't skip the wheels. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and a brush to scrub brake dust and dirt from rims. Tires? Dress them with a tire shine product to make them pop without looking greasy. The engine bay is often overlooked, but keeping it clean is vital. First, cover sensitive electronics and intake areas. Spray an engine degreaser. Allow it to work for a few minutes. Then, rinse gently with low-pressure water. Wipe down exposed surfaces with a microfiber towel. A clean engine isn't just for looks. It helps with heat management and spotting leaks early. Finally, performance touches. Check tire pressure, top off fluids, and inspect brakes and suspension components. A car detailing session is the perfect opportunity to ensure your Prelude isn't just beautiful, but mechanically sound. Before you call it done, step back and admire your work. The interior sparkles, the paint gleams, the engine bay shines, and every wheel and tire looks showroom ready. Detailing isn't just cleaning, it's care, protection, and pride. For best results, maintain your 2026 Honda Prelude weekly. A little attention goes a long way. Remember, a clean car isn't just visually satisfying. It preserves value, ensures longevity, and gives you that unmatched driving experience. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell to catch more in-depth car detailing tutorials. Your Prelude deserves the best, and we'll help you achieve it, one detail at a time.